Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning, my dear student. How are you today? Are you fine? I hope that, yes. Let's start our lesson today. Our lesson, page 83. Okay, please open your book quickly. Page 83, Unit 16. Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Yes, before we start our lesson today, we will make revision. Yes, number 1, Unit 16. Yes, it's 10 o'clock. Now, you can imagine you have a trip with your teacher and your friends. Yes, number 1 is Iyad, number 2 Yusuf, number 3 Abdurrahman. Yes, Iyad said, let's visit the Alexandria Library at 12 o'clock. Yes, Yusuf said, it's 10 o'clock. Let's visit the beach. Excellent. Abdurrahman said, let's eat fish at restaurant at 6 o'clock. And your teacher said, let's visit Qaitbay Fort at 3 o'clock. Yes, you can read again. Yes. Number 1. Iyad said, yes, let's visit the Alexandria Library at 12 o'clock. Yes, excellent. Yes. Who wants to read number 2? Yes. Yes. You. Yes. Read. It's 10 o'clock. Yes. Yusuf said, let's visit the beach. Excellent. Yes. Who wants to read? Yes. Abdurrahman. Yes. Let's eat fish at restaurant at 6 o'clock. Excellent. And your teacher said, let's visit Qaitbay Fort at 3 o'clock. Excellent. Next. Yes, look and say. Yes. Number 1. What is it? The beach. Excellent. Yes. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Excellent. Number 2. What is it? It's Alexandria Library. Excellent. Okay, what time is it? Excellent. It's 12. Yes. Raise your voice. Number 3. What is it? Yes. Quickly. Yes, it's Qaitbay Fort. Excellent. Yes, look. Qaitbay Fort. Yes. Now, what time is it? Yes, it's 3 o'clock. Excellent. Yes. What is it? It's a restaurant. Yes. What time is it? Yes. Quickly. Excellent. It's 6 o'clock. Next. Yes. Our previous lesson about life skills. Okay. Who wants to read? Yes. I always stand in a line. Excellent. Number 2. I throw trash in the bin. Excellent. Number 3. Who wants to read? Yes. I don't shout. Yes. Yes. Number 4. Or number D. I ask the librarian before I take anything. Yes. Excellent. Next. Yes. It's time to say what's the time. Okay. Now I will ask you. Now we have a revision. Yes. Yes. You. What time is it? Look. What time is it? Yes. It's your turn. What time is it? Yes. Excellent. It's 5 o'clock. Yes. Excellent. Yes. Yes. I will point another clock. Yes. Okay. What time is it? Excellent. It's 10 o'clock. Excellent. Yes. Yeah. Yes. What time is it? Yes. Raise your voice. It's 8 o'clock. Excellent. Yes. You can do this exercise at your home with your mother, your brother, your father. Okay? point 2 o'clock and said what's the time. Okay, next. Yes, today our lesson about learn sounds with busy bee. Our lesson today, unit 16, phonics, learn sounds with busy bee, page 83. Yes, quickly open your book. Page 83. Excellent. Today we will identify letter C, pronounce it K. C plus consonant. Yes. Clock. Yes, excellent. M, museum. N, nine. Excellent. P, pyramids. Excellent. Yes. Now listen and repeat. Yes. Clock. Yes. What is that? It's clock. Yes, excellent. Number 2, museum. Yes. Museum. Excellent. Yes. 9. Excellent. Pyramids. Last one, pyramids. Okay. Now it's your turn. Try to read it clearly. Raise your voice. Yes. Number 1. What is that? Yes. Quickly. Yes. Excellent. It's clock. Repeat after me. Clock. Excellent. Number 2. Who wants to read? Yes. Who wants to read? Yes. What is that? Me. Museum. Excellent. Museum. Number. Yes. 3. It's very easy. Yes. Lock. Yes. 9. Excellent. And last one. Yes. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 pyramids. Yes. Excellent. Yes. Excellent. Now unscramble and write. This is your homework. Okay. You should rearrange these letters to give the meaning of the photo. Okay. It's a pen, cab, map, man. Excellent. Now I hope you have enjoyed our lesson today. Goodbye. Have a nice time.